Today's video, I'm here at Parque Central. So, gonna try to eat the 8 Korean barbecue here at level 2. So, baba tayo guys. Enjoy watching our videos. Level 2. Hanapin natin. Thai food. Dito na 8 Korean. 8 Korean. Ganun. Dugay kayo Hi! Sino dugay kayo nakasakay? Hi! Nakuman na mo? Hi ate, hi! Dugay kayo kung nakasakay sa taxi. Oh, hi, hi. Hi guys. Dira ko. Lagi kayo ko ang. Hi. Wala pa mo. So, maoni siya guys. So, ang video na to is a mixed video and he's working here. Anong name mo? What's your name? Doesn't, okay. Hanggi ubo ka gar. Hi. Kanus So, maoni siya diri guys. Nice work. Makig-add to silang Chinatown? Yeah. Okay.
Labas, maganda sa labas.
Oh. Naglaag pa sila?
Sa Chinatown tayo.
Oh, sure. Dili na mo atong Marlion?
Mo atong Marlion pa din.
Walang tao pa. Ano? Magkatabi pala kayo sa Soy, no? Yung ano. So, actually na-late ako guys. So, tapos na sila. I-picture lang natin dito. Magala-gala kami ngayon. Today is a gala day. So, I come here at 8 Korean. Wala. Kuan, ikaon ko ka ng pandesal before ko ni Are. So, niya, nagluto man ko para dinner nila ba? Nadugay ko. Sige na. Kasi mga tumig Chinatown. Ang ganda dito sa Clarke. Amazing. First time ko ito nakita dito ng Banasay. O binago ata to. Sino hindi ka? So mag-MRT kami guys.
Kasi hindi pa kayo naka-train.
Hindi pa sila nag-train. So they wanna try the train. Ang ganda dito tiyo. Ang Banasay. Ang ganda. One stop lang tayo kasi Chinatown tayo. So guys, dito kami sa Chinatown. Papunta kaming Chinatown guys. Hi boys. Ay, nandun sa likod ang mga boys na kay. Hi kuya. Welcome to SG. Ako ning i-upload. Ay, bahala mo diha. Ate, ako ning i-upload sa akong YouTube. Bahala mo diha. Ako ning i-upload. Asa na naan ah? So, nice kayang kuan sa Clarke ang display. So, sakay silang train. Kung naka-experience ka na dito na train kuya, wala no. They haven't experienced train guys. So, their first time.
Pasa-pasa na lang to.
Oh, gano'n makita pag naka-green kuya. First time nakasakay ni kuya dito sa SG. Okay, pasok na. Inig-exit. Pagtapos na may exit. Kasi hindi ka maka-exit pag hindi mo yung tinatap.
Saan sa Pilipinas ganito mo?
Kasi nagtataksik sila always. So first time nilang ma-try. So we're going to Chinatown. Ay, okay din pag Chinatown na tayo. Mamaya madali na. So, dito na side. Sakay tayo, guys. First time nyo nakasakay ng train dito, kuya? Oo, kasi taxi kayo always, di ba? Hi! Sakay na tayo. Singapore train. Train ride. Ayan, mga first time na mga rides sa train. Ako, danog ko. Ayan sila, kuya. Ito, guys. So, diri na ta, side. But Chinatown na to, guys. And this is Chinatown MRT na. Wow, ganito siya. Here at Chinatown, let's try their bak kut teh, guys, and their coconut drinks. We can add this one after 82. Got you. So the art of purple. Is this the name of your stall, uncle? Is this the name of your... Is the one?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, because I'm doing a vlog, I will put it on my book. Okay, thank you. I will...
The address is this one.
42 Pagoda Street. Oh, this is their address. So, 42 Pagoda Street. Oh, wow, like that is... Oh, so that's nice. And look at here, can enjoy their food. Oh, can I go in and take a look? So this is how it looks like. Wow. So it's actually near here, guys. So you can enjoy food. So this is how it looks like. Try to eat here. So I'm waiting for my bak kut teh. So I try ko muna to. Guys, here's my food I order. Bak kut teh. I'm gonna try it. I'll wait it.
I think the people so forgotten it.
Huh? Forgotten. Oh, okay, because I don't have, I'm thinking I know it's not included.
The packaging you must with this one.
Yeah, this one.
You must dip with this one, then
Yeah,
nice,
yeah,
huh?
okay.
Otherwise, you can have no nice.
Oh,
You
okay.
must dip with this one.
This is your special sauce.
Chili and dark soy sauce.
Oh, okay.
Then the whole taste will be very nice.
Okay. Let's try their bak kut teh here. Wait, no. Bak kut teh tayo, guys. Oh, it's so yummy. Is it this one and that one same owner?
1, 2, 3, all the same.
Oh,
All the
No wonder I was wondering how come it's yellow color. So that's the thing that 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's all the same box.
Ah. Same pala sa kabila. That side all dim sum, right?
The side is more on Chinese food.
Dim sum, this one is more on
This one is
Korean.
beer.
Beer, this one is Korean, right?
This is
Chinese,
Japanese.
Japanese. Oh.
Japanese and beer. So the food original must be there.
No wonder it was from there. So ano lang pala ito dito, guys? Sarap. Actually, I used that one. Thank you. Nahulog kasi yan, guys. So masarap. Masarap yung bakit. Thanks for watching. For more of my videos, please subscribe or click the notification bell button so that you'll be notified on my next video or vlog. Thank you. See you once again. Bye.